image here, and when we load, then we will go for pre-processing. This is the image of image which we took as an image uploading. And next we have the image segmentation. So when first of all, when we click this image processing, then it will pop up, then and then we will go for segmentation. This segmentation will have three parts, so we can select any cluster. So we can select, here's the cluster 1, cluster 2, and cluster 3. So we can select whichever we desire from the cluster which are given. So we can select 2, except example like 2. So and then this is where the image are segmented, and at the same time features extract also are extracted when we try to segment it. So since this is the features extraction, the features we get is the main, the entropy, the SD, then the energy, and then all this we have all the features of the feature extractions are being extracted. And after that, we can go for classification. The classification, this is a Chinese bamboo. So this the image of this is a Chinese bamboo, and it is being classified. And we can also check for accuracy. The accuracy of this is 96.77%. So our project, our accuracy, we keep from 90% to 98%. And the image of this which we have been accuracy, it is accuracy 96%. And
Bika, put the video off.
here's the conclusion.
Bika, video off कर दो. Bika, put the video off.
वीडियो ऑफ करो.
Please continue.
Yes, sir. Uh, Here we come to conclusion. Precisely, plans identification and classification of a plant leaf can be achieved with image processing using different types of machine learning algorithm. Through this work, manually labor needed time. It needs time, and it require time to perform plant species recognition can be reduced. This experiment is consume more accuracy and also less time, can take up to large data which manually cannot. So through this our project, we can do it through which can take less time and less effort. It is less effortless. So our future work, since we for now we are only identifying a plant species, our future works, it will be a detection of a plant disease. So for next, it will be our detection of plant disease, since plants have a lot of disease. So we'll try to do our detections of a plant disease. And also for experimenting can be extended for a large database, since for now our database is not that large. So for next we can do
So basically, you have done the plant feature extraction and to identify a plant, what type of plant it is, right? Eva, can you hear me? Hello.
Iba, can you hear?
hello sir.
So basically, what you have done is feature extraction.
Hello sir.
Basically, you have done a plant feature extraction, right?
Yes sir.
So what is its application in real life?
So it's not clear.
What is the application of this plant feature extraction that you have made?
Sir, the network is not clear.
Or not clear?
Yeah,
My
I can't hear clearly.
Okay, my question is, what is its application area where you can apply?
Yes sir. So where we can apply this our application.
Yeah, yes, yes.
So This we can apply in agriculture, where they can specify a species, a plant species.
So how they will do it? They have to have a computer, and in front of that, they have to take the plant picture, right?
Yes, sir.
So can it be possible that in a mobile apps will be there, through that they will bring the mobile into the agricultural field and take the photograph and analyze it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Image can be taken from mobile also.
So why
Uh,
don't you approach for creating an apps for your application?
since this is it's not just we are for now we are doing only for application in a PC, sir. Later we can think about that, using in a mobile app, since it will be easy for the person who will using.
From my side, it is okay.
Pardon, sir?
From my side, I have asked my question. I don't have anything to ask.
Yes, sir. For now, we are using only for we are thinking only about in doing from the PC, sir. But later, maybe if we get a chance again, then we will. If we get a chance to do another project, then sure, sir, we can do a mobile app also.
Bikau,
What?
Bikau,
Hello,
you are
sir. Yes,
Bikau.
yes, sir.
Your from your side, so many sounds are coming.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
No,
Sorry
no,
about
please,
that, sir.
please come in.